Greetings to our May membership program. This month we're working with personal symbol. So I would like you to get into a comfortable position for this meditation. Gently close your eyes. We'll take 3 deep breaths together into our belly, imagining a desire, maybe starting with an image or a symbol you've worked with in the past that has meaning to you. Breathe in, taking it in every core of your being. As you breathe out, letting go of something no longer needed. Breathe in, something wanted. Breathe out, something to let go of. Breathe in. And a long exhale, breathe out. I want you to imagine yourself in a place that brings peace and serenity to your being. And in your mind's eye, bring your awareness about a foot in front of you, behind you, above you, and below you. And now imagine these parameters moving even a foot further. And a foot even further from that. Bringing yourself into a circumference of a circle with you in the middle. Just like the seasons that bring with it visual imagery through winter, spring, summer, and fall, so too does our visual language as we make art change as we change with each of the seasons. Sometimes we have personal symbol that we're not even aware of till we take the time to turn our focus inward like we are right now and conjure up meaning, personal meaning for ourselves that we can bring to our art practice. While you're sitting in the center of your circle, I want you to imagine in your mind's eye that you have stood up and you're moving towards the east, wherever east is from the point that you're sitting in now. When you get to the edge of your own made parameter, visualize a rising sun. This is the place of new beginnings. Take in the colors. This is the place of spring. What does spring make you feel? Birth. Your own sense of innocence. See in your mind's eye a symbol that might represent new beginnings for you, taking shape and form in front of you. If you don't see anything at all, just allow yourself to be in the moment and feel your way in. What are the sensations? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is there a smell? A sound? As you conjure up a symbol in front of you, take your time to see if a message might come along with it. Now gently thank the east of the rising sun, and we'll make our way to the south. Here is the abundance of summer, everything in full bloom, full maturity. What does summer represent for you? Is there a color or a shape? A sound or a smell? A place of your past or present? If we conjure up a symbol, take your time. What is it? What does it mean to you? If the symbol had anything to say or a message, what might that be? Now gently thank the south, and we'll make our way to the west. Sometimes thought of as home of the sacred dream, the precipice of the setting sun. If this was the place of fall, autumn, what images come? What can you take in with all your senses? If you were to conjure up a symbol and take your time, what comes in front of your mind's eye? What message might it have for you today? Gently thank the west as we make our way to the north, the time of winter, time of endings, a time of wisdom. What feelings come up for you here? What image arises? Really feel it in the core of your being as you conjure it up. Does this symbol have a message for you today? Now gently thank the north as we make our way back to the east, completing full circle, making our way back to the place that we began in the middle of the circle. I want you to bring your awareness to your heart. Connecting you to wholeness. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your toes or your fingers and open your eyes, taking in 5 things in your surroundings to anchor yourself. Symbol can come in many guises. I invite you now to, while it's fresh in your mind's eye, to get out some art materials and to maybe make some sketches of the feeling or some symbols that came. And after you do these sketches, I invite you to make a painting or collage focusing on one symbol. And then throughout the course of the month, you might stay with this symbol and do it again and see if it's changed. And then do it again from there, using, of course, the prompts that we have in Maze. Prompts. Experiment, stay with it, and most of all, have fun.